Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily copy or find someone's Discord ID. So that's quite simple, but before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, open up the Discord application and then you will have to click on your profile on the bottom right and click on the gear at the top right to head over to the settings. Now scroll down until you find an option of advanced in-app settings. Now on the top you can see there's an option of developer mode. Click on it and toggle it on. Now go back. For example, I click on any person's profile like this, TG ID. So you'll have to simply click on the three dots on the top right and you can find an option of copy user ID and you can simply click on it and copy his user ID. So that's how you can easily copy someone's ID on Discord. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.